Hi, welcome to the Articles and Books video of your CTM 010 online library tutorial. With so much information out there, finding good, reliable sources can often be a challenge. In this video, I will briefly show you how to use the library's databases to find articles and books related to your topic. For media topics, I recommend three specific databases, namely Academic Search Ultimate, which is EBSCO's flagship multidisciplinary database, includes access to over 10,000 journals and magazines; ProQuest Research Library, another full-text multidisciplinary database providing access to approximately 6,000 journals; and Communication Source, which is a specialized database of top communication journals covering media studies. Please note, there's a lot of overlap between Academic Search and ProQuest Research Library, but there's enough unique content that I recommend searching both. So, let's say you're writing a paper on the impacts of social media on the mental health of teenagers. First, you want to pick out some key concepts from your topic, like social media, mental health, teenagers. Then enter these keywords in the search box. Let's start with Academic Search Ultimate. So as you can see, Academic Search Ultimate is powered by EBSCO, so it should be a familiar interface to a lot of you. So just enter your keywords in the search box, click on Search, and you'll get a list of results organized by relevancy. So one of the powers of the EBSCO interface is that you can refine your results on the left toolbar over here. For example, we can limit by date. So let's say we only want articles from the last 5 years. So I can limit from 2014 to 2019, since this is a very current topic. In addition, I can limit to only magazines. Let's say I don't want scholarly articles, I only want magazines. So I can click on that, and it's going to eliminate scholarly articles and only bring the magazine results. Lastly, if I want to get rid of any of my limiters, I just click on the little X. So that'll bring back all my results. If the full text is available, it'll be displayed there, the PDF link. If the full text is available in another library database, for example, it's not in EBSCO, but it's in ProQuest or it's in one of our other databases, you'll get that link. Another nice new feature is the Save PDF to Cloud. So if you use Google Drive or OneDrive or Dropbox, you can save your results there. If you click on the actual article, you'll get the abstract. Of course, that is super important. This abstract gives you an overview about, it's like a summary about what the article's about. So that is a super important feature, the abstract. Next is the cite feature that a lot of students like. So if you click on that, you get the basic citation styles, all the most common citation styles. So there's a lot of nice, powerful tools with the EBSCO interface. So now I want to move to kind of the competitor to EBSCO, which is the ProQuest Research Library. As I said, it's very similar to Academic Search, but it's a different vendor, so it's worth using both databases. So again, I'm just going to do my keywords. I'm going to click on Search, and all the databases are a similar type structure. So I'll get my list of results. And in this case, I'm seeing we actually got a lot more results. It does have the same sort of features here. You see you can limit to, it's mostly scholarly articles, but you can also limit to newspapers, magazines, trade journals. So like I said, it's important to use both. I think that it's good to compare and contrast what you get in both. Lastly, I want to mention Communication Source. And the Communication Source is actually a very specialized database. Again, it's powered by EBSCO, and it is just academic journals related to communications and media studies. So it's going to be all academic journals. And as you see, we got a lot less results, but sometimes it's worth taking a look at because it is specific for your field. Okay, so that concludes my brief overview of article databases. Now I want to look at how to find books through the library. So the best place to go to look for books is the library catalog. So I'm going to jump back to our library guide here under Finding Articles and Books, and you see there's a link to the library catalog. So just click on that, it brings up the library catalog. So the library catalog searches all the library's print books, ebooks, streaming videos, DVDs, etc. Basically, it searches pretty much everything but articles. Since it's searching keywords and subject heading records for individual resources like books and ebooks rather than the full text of articles, you'll likely get fewer results than the article databases. So one thing I often say, so let's just try our search like this, and let's start our search. So we actually got very few results, only 16 results. So one thing I often tell students is, because the way the catalog searches records, not full text, it searches book and video records, sometimes it's better just to use less keywords, use like your main keywords. So in this case, I'm just going to use social media. So you see we got a lot more results. We got over 6,000. Most of our books now are, you see, online access. So most of the books are ebooks. So that means online ebook. We do have a streaming video here as well. I'm often asked by students how to limit my results to just print books, because often students will ask me for just print books, and that's really, really simple. So the way to do that, again, limiters, just like EBSCO and ProQuest, are on the left. So the way to limit to just what the library actually owns physically in the building is you just click on where it says Main Collection, and then you click on Apply Filters. So that will limit your results just to books that the library owns. So a lot of these say 2 versions because we probably have a print version and an ebook version. But for example, this one here gives you the call number. So that's where you would find the book, in the main collection. So this concludes my video on finding articles and books using library resources. Thanks for watching. Please click on the Getting Help tab in the library guide if you need assistance or have additional questions. Getting Help tabs right there. So thank you, and thanks for watching. Bye.